think you're saved. Just when you've locked your door, comes like a lightning, a flash, and the sky is torn at your back like a loaded gun. But the fight has just begun. Steady now, breathe, breathe. You can't run, you can't hide. Hold your breath, close your eyes. Turn your ear to the sky. You're not safe here anymore. This is the sound of war. Like an avalanche, come to steal what you just got back. Like a loaded gun.
You ran away.
I had to.
That's your excuse for leaving me with those gorilla wolves.
Dean.
You bailed out and what? We camping? I prayed to you, Cass, every night. You know, and you didn't. What the hell's wrong with you?
I'm an angel in a land of abominations. There have been things hunting me from the moment we arrived.
Join the club!
These are not just monsters, Dean, they're Leviathan. I have a price on my head, and I've been trying to stay one step ahead of them to keep them away from you.
Get out of here. We're going home.
Tori has an escape hatch, but I got no idea if it's angel-friendly.
Hey, we'll figure it out. Cass, buddy, I need you.
It's too dangerous.
Let me bottom line for you. I'm not leaving here without you. Understand?
I understand.
I did not leave you.
So you think this was your fault? Everything isn't your responsibility. Getting me out of Purgatory wasn't your responsibility.
You didn't get out. So whose fault was it?
It's not about fault. It's about will.
Look, I don't need to feel like hell for failing you, okay? For failing you like I failed every other godforsaken thing that I care about. I don't need it.
Dean, just look at it. Really, look at it. See, it wasn't that I was weak. I was stronger than you. I pulled away. Nothing you could have done would have saved me because I didn't want to be saved.
What the hell are you talking about?
It's where I belonged. I needed to do penance. For the things I did on Earth and in heaven, I didn't deserve to be out. And I saw that clearly when I was there. I planned to stay all along. I just didn't know how to tell you. You can't save everyone, my friend. But you try.